to my channel Cooking with Rumana. Today I'm a bit excited because I'm starting a new series on my YouTube channel which is quick and easy breakfast recipes. In this series I would be looking for a recipe which are quick to make and does not take a lot of time and effort. So in this I would be making a lot of different types of smoothies, different types of omelettes, toast, bread, sandwiches, and I would be looking for few of the Indian recipes as well, like poha, idli, dosa, uttapam, and there would be few of dishes like overnight soaked oats, chia seed puddings, anything with the fruit salads and all this. These are the kind of recipes which you can usually cook them and pack them even for your kids' lunchbox as well. These recipes does not take a lot of time. You can prepare them a night before as well. This is going to be my first recipe of my quick and easy breakfast series. So let me show you the ingredients. These are the ingredients you need to make a sunny side up omelette with toast. You need 1 egg, pinch of crushed black pepper, salt to taste, butter to apply it for the bread, and I've taken 1 slice of local bakery bread. You can take any branded bread as well, and a half teaspoon of cooking oil, and of course you need a toaster to toast your bread. So let me show you the video how I make sunny side up omelette. First I will start switching on the gas. I'll keep it on the high flame for 2 to 3 minutes so that the pan becomes quite hot. In the meantime, what I always do, I never crack an egg directly onto the pan. I always crack an egg in a bowl, then I transfer it to the pan, because sometime whatever the quality, good qualities egg you buy, you still have something or other thing in it. So that's why I always, to be in a safer side, I always crack an egg in a bowl, then transfer it to the frying pan. The pan is quite hot now. I will just spray some oil. I have used almost half a teaspoon of cooking oil. Even you can use a butter as well. Now, since the pan is quite hot, I will just increase the flame to medium low and slowly transfer the egg into the pan. Now I will just sprinkle little bit of salt on top of the egg and a pinch of crushed black pepper. So it's been almost 30 seconds now. I will lower the heat and I will cover this pan with some lid, any lid if you have. This is just to make sure that the egg white is fully cooked and the yolk is still runny. Till the time omelette is getting ready, what I will do, I'll just toast my bread. I always like my bread to be a little crispy. If you people don't like it, then it's up to you. You can always make it a little bit soft. If you don't have a toaster, you can even do it on the pan. It's not necessary you have to have a toaster to make a toast. Even you can easily do it on the tawa. Let me just open the lid. Yeah, voila! The omelette is ready. As you can see the egg white has fully cooked and the yolk is still runny. This is the perfect thing I always want. Now I will switch off the gas and wait for a couple of minutes before I transfer this to a serving dish. Now the toast is done. So I'll apply some butter on the toast using a butter knife. You can apply as much as butter you want. I like it a little bit less butter. Now slowly I will transfer the egg onto the toast. There you go. So I'll just show you now how the egg yolk is still runny and it looks yummy. This is the perfect sunny side up, which I like it, and I'm going to enjoy this. So do try out this recipe and please let me know in the below comment section if you have any queries. I can reply to them. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.